Thanks for joining us. My name is Chip Obie, Safetec National Sales and Service Representative. Today we'll be demonstrating the chemical spill control solution, Alky.
Safetec's Alky solidifier is for use in alkaline fluids. Key points to remember: when the high pH solution turns blue then yellow, it is safely neutralized and solidified. Alky solidifier is available individually, in the Spill Leader Kit, and in the multi-purpose kit.
Step 1. Remember to always wear protective gear and exercise caution during cleanup. Step 2. We will begin by using our litmus paper to test the fluid and show the high pH level. Step 3. Flip open one side of the top and pour Safetec's Alky onto the alkaline fluid. Step 4. The fluid will then solidify and change color from blue to yellow when safely neutralized. Step 5. Finally, we will use our litmus paper again to test and show you the neutralized pH level of the fluid. You are now ready for cleanup. Remember to follow your facility removal and disposal guidelines.
Safetec Chemical Spill Control Solutions. Easy to use, quick, and effective.
Contact Safetec for more information on chemical spill control solutions and other Safetec products by visiting safetec.com or calling toll-free 1-800-456-7077.